This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to upload a virtual tour using images which you're already taking using your 360-degree camera. So in order to do this, first we need to log in, and we'll log in using our credentials which we used when we originally signed up. When you initially log in, you'll be greeted with your account overview screen where you can actually click on credits to see how many credits you actually have. You're also given the opportunity to buy more credits if you need to. You can click on edit to edit your username and password and your avatar, and you can also click on my virtual tours to see which virtual tours you currently have hosted, your order history, and finally also how much paid content you actually have hosted on the website. Click on add tour to add a new virtual tour. Give an address. In this case we're going to type in Armstrong Farm because that's the name of the place we're actually going to take a virtual tour for. Next, what you want to do is you want to drag and drop the images which you have taken from your camera, from your desktop, onto the file upload dialog. The next thing that you want to do is click on the big old Start Upload button which is just underneath, and that will commence the upload process. Now this may take a while depending on the number of images which you're actually uploading and also the speed of your internet connection. Now, one hint which I can actually give you at this point is to make sure that all your photos are renamed before you actually upload them, and do so in a way which will actually make sense when you're editing the virtual tour later on. So say for instance, make sure that all the ground floor photos have a number 1 as a prefix, or the first floor photos have a number 2 as a prefix, and so on and so on. Once you finish uploading the images, you can simply click on the Save button and that will take you through to the checkout. Now the checkout actually has two methods of payments. We've got pay with credits or pay with PayPal. We're going to choose pay with credits in this instance because this user actually has some credits in the bank, and if you actually buy credits in bulk it actually makes it cheaper for your tours. Then you can click on complete order and there we go, we've actually uploaded a virtual tour. And if we click on my account and then click on my virtual tours, we will actually be taken through to a list of virtual tours, and we can click on Armstrong Farm which will actually take us through to the tour we just uploaded. As you can see, it's actually processing right now and the images are loading which we've uploaded onto the screen. Because this is a brand new virtual tour, all the images are actually being listed as processing, but of course as the images are gradually processed, if we keep refreshing this page in future, we will actually see them as being processed. Also, if you click on any of the thumbnails, then we'll actually be able to flip through the uploaded images just like a slideshow. So as an example right now, if we refresh the page, then we will actually get a gauge of how many of these images which have been processed. So as you can see, the entrance hall has been processed, and if we scroll down the page, we'll also see that the wine cellar is processed, the dining room is processed, the entrance hall is processed, etc, etc. And finally, when the virtual tour has been processed, we actually get to see the virtual tour itself with the uploaded images all underneath being listed as processed. We also have a link to go to full screen, and we can actually enjoy the virtual tour which we've just uploaded for Armstrong Farm. As you can see here, we're starting off in the cellar, and we've also got some navigation at the bottom which allows us to go through all the tours which have been uploaded. So let's go through to the entrance hall for instance, and we can scroll through the entrance hall, and that's an example of how you can quickly and easily upload a virtual tour using Zeus 360. If you do have any problems though, just pop us an email and we'll do our very best to assist you. Thank you for watching.